Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the virtual machine and logging into the guest. This lets VMware tools negotiate display settings. Once done, check VMware Workstation's VM menu for the tool's status and install or update tools if it's missing. This provides drivers and auto-resize support. Make sure the VM has at least 64 MB of video memory. Otherwise, the guest cannot scale. Now, leave the guest desktop visible and prepare to adjust display and monitor settings in the next step. After mounting the VMware tool's ISO, run the installer inside the guest with administrator rights. Follow prompts and reboot when asked. This installs display drivers that enable dynamic resizing. Once rebooted, open VMware Workstation's VM settings and increase video memory and monitor count if needed. Enabling 3D acceleration improves scaling and performance. Then, set the guest display resolution to auto or select a larger resolution via the guest OS display. To finalize, use View Fit Guest now or enter full screen. VMware will resize the guest to match the window. If the guest doesn't resize, restart the VM and confirm VMware tool service is running. Reinstall if necessary. Also check guest OS display scaling and the host scaling percentage. Mismatched DPI can make contents appear too large or tiny. One key troubleshooting tip: disable custom scaling on the host temporarily and reboot the guest. This often resolves stubborn scaling and full screen display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.